Hello Newcomb family, welcome back to the channel, Living the Newcomb Life. I'm Jerry. Today's video is going to be on an easy way that you can get calcium to your plants with something that you probably already have but don't really know how to utilize, and that's going to be using eggshells. So what I'm going to show you today is how I collect my eggshells. I just store them in a Chinese food soup container that you get until I get about, I don't know, 12 to 15 of them. And then I'll put them in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes at 350 degrees until they get very brittle. Pull them out and I'll put them in my magic bullet and grind them up to a fine powder. Just like that. And once it's in a fine powder like this, you can put it in your water and let it fully dissolve, or you can just sprinkle it right on top of your soil, and it'll, as you water, it'll go down and it'll reach those roots. One of the main benefits of adding calcium to your plants is specifically tomatoes, zucchini, and squash, is that it'll help eliminate your blossom end rot. I just take the eggshells and put them on the middle shelf in the oven, centered. Set the timer for 15 minutes. Okay, so you can see how the eggshells are now baked and brittle and ready to be ground up. So the eggshells are really hot, so I use an oven glove to grab them off. And get them ready and grind them on my magic bullet. It takes that long, no time at all. They're fully ground up, and I just add it to the rest of my collection. And that's really it, guys. Not a lot to it, as you can see, short and sweet. But if you're having problems with blossom end rot, or if you just need to get calcium to your plants, this is probably the most effective way that you can do it. So I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It really helps. The best way that you guys can help us, though, is to share our videos on all of your social media platforms. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you're up to date on all of our upcoming videos. But thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day.